G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's lunchtime and I thought I'd make a pizza for lunch, but I'm not too sure what ingredients I've got in my fridge, so, well, it's time to make a what's in my fridge pizza. Let's check out the fridge, see what's there. Alright. Now I know I've got a pizza base here, which is why I thought I'd make a pizza for lunch. Now, you know what? I was thinking maybe I could make maybe a seafood pizza. I've got these tins of tuna here, I might use that. Now some mayonnaise and, well, some tomato sauce. That's always good to make a seafood sauce, isn't it? Oh, some mozzarella cheese, yes, we'll need that. Now here's my bowl of leftovers and, oh, a bit of tomato, yeah, we can use that. Oh, anchovies, that'll come in handy. Oh, and pizza sauce, of course. We'll need that. Now, we'll need some sort of onions, of course. Well, I got that one. Oh, and some spring onions. Didn't know we had these. I'll grab one of those. Avocado? No. Lime? Oh, have we got some lemon? Of course we do. Now, what else? Oh, maybe there's something in the freezer section here. Now, I know we had... Oh, yeah, that's right. Some prawns. Oh, that'll be great. Okay. I wonder if olives go well on a seafood pizza. Well, I guess we'll find out. I'm wondering if mustard might go well with a sauce. Yeah, let's find out. Okay, fridge. I think you're telling me that enough's enough. Time to close you up. Well, there's the ingredients I'm going to use today. Let's start throwing this thing together. Well, for starters, I'll need a nice hot oven, 220 centigrades. From memory, I think that's about 430 Fahrenheit jingles. Now, firstly, I've got these frozen prawns, so I'll need to defrost those. And add some water so we can get these defrosting. Alright, well, I've got a few things I just need to cut up. I'll start with the onion right here. A few nice, very thin slices of that. Gee, this onion's not looking too healthy actually. I better go and grab another one. Lucky Woolworths is the fresh food people because, well, I'd hate to see their food if it wasn't fresh. God. A few very thin slices of this. I've got spring onion here. Now I was thinking more of a garnish, but hey, I could probably put some on the base of the pizza too, along with the other onions, or even just sprinkle it on top. Now, some tomato, a bit of leftover here, might as well use that up. Some cherry tomatoes, I wish I had that, because I reckon that'd be really good. So I'll just chop that into little bits. Yeah, the cherry tomato would be so much sweeter and so much tastier. And I'll probably just need like a wedge of lemon just to squeeze over the top. Got some nice anchovies here. What's a pizza without anchovies? Well, it's an anchovy-less pizza. So I'll slice that up. Little bits. Right. I think that's all the cutting up done. Oh, maybe except for some olives, that'd be nice. Just grab a few of those out. Chop those into pieces. Not too small, but smaller than their original size. Alright, now I think that's done. Let's start making this pizza. So we'll grab our pizza base there and put some of this pizza sauce on. Spread that out nice and evenly, right to the edge. I'll put on some of these onions. Spread those out a little bit better, Greg. Or if you don't want to, that's fine, because I'll add some of these bits of green onion there too. Now, a light sprinkling of cheese on the base, because you've got to put cheese on the base apparently. Someone taught me that. And it wasn't a pizza company, it was the Mrs. Melissa. Well, she used to work at Pizza Hut, so someone taught her that. Now I've got this tin of tuna here. I've drained the oil out. We'll break that up. You can leave it in chunks. Spread it around. Now I'll add the tomato. I'll add the olives, anchovies, and the prawns. And we'll finish it off with another sprinkling of cheese. Not too thick. You want it to melt down in between everything. And there's the pizza ready to go into the oven, which should be heated up by now, so we'll whack this in. And we'll probably want to cook that, because it's pretty hot, for about 8 to 10 minutes, I reckon. So turn the timer on to 8 minutes. I'll keep checking on it and give it a spin halfway around, just to make sure it's cooking evenly on both sides. But while that's cooking, I was going to make a sauce to drizzle over the top. And for that sauce, I was going to use mayonnaise, some Dijon, and some tomato ketchup. Put a nice dollop of mayo in there. A good squirt of the ketchup. And maybe just a little bit of the Dijon mustard. And mix that all together. But you know what I was thinking? I was going to squirt that lemon over the top, but I might as well just squirt the lemon juice in here. That might make it a little bit thinner and easier to pour over the top later. All right, well that was about 9 minutes. And there we have it. It's looking pretty good, huh? Oh, mate. Okay, so now all I need to do is drizzle over my seafood sauce over the top. And it seems to be drizzling quite well, if not a little bit slow. We better cut this up into 6 pieces. 6 for me and none for you. All right. Yeah. All right, well I can't wait to tuck on in, so let's see how this turned out. Oh, stretchy cheese. It's always a good start. Wow, that's actually amazingly good. I thought it'd be alright, but man, this tastes much better than I was hoping it would. That seafood sauce I made, drizzled over the top, really gave it a great flavour too. Well, there you go, what's in my fridge pizza that just turned out really great, and I'm so glad I made it. Well, what does Rollo think about the seafood what's in your fridge pizza? Oh, mate! You can't get enough of it. Well, there you go, a super simple and easy what's in your fridge pizza, seafood version, and I tell you what, it was an absolute ripper. That's all today. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then. Oh yeah, this is